What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Reggie and I'm here to show you how to make money online and make a passive income. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy. Hey guys, I wanted to tell you guys another way to make money with Amazon. If you don't know what type of product to sell on Amazon, if you don't want to sell any books on Amazon, so I'm gonna show you guys another way to make money. So at the end of this video, I will give you guys a secret and how to make more sales on Amazon. So what I'm gonna talk about is retail arbitrage. What is really retail arbitrage? So retail arbitrage, let's say you go into you have the Amazon seller app. So you know, like the same way when you go buy a book at a bookstore or a thrift store or dollar store, and then you scan it and you can sell it for profit on Amazon. That's the same thing with retail arbitrage. You can sell anything like that. So let's say if you go to Walmart, let's say if I go to Walmart and I see this product, it's $5 at Walmart, but when I scan it on Amazon, on the Amazon seller app, and this product it's $15. Let's say Amazon gonna take 15% of 15. Let's say it's gonna be like around $2-3 Amazon gonna take on this, and then you're gonna pay like $5 or $3. This one, it's really like, let's say you're gonna pay $3 to ship this product. You actually gonna make like $10 profit. So you can go into Walmart, you can go into Target, and you can go like BJ's, any store. So let me show you guys a specific product, how I found it and how I was able to sell it and make like $10 profit on each one of them. So I was able to make like $1 to $150 to $300 a day by doing absolutely nothing. So this way you have to have money so you can have the product. Alright guys, let's talk about this candle, right? That's what really retail arbitrage. If you go into a Walmart or into a Publix, when I went to Publix, I got this product at it was $9.99 buy one get one free. So each product come in like $5. And when I scanned it on Amazon, the product was actually $19.99, right? So that's the kind of product. This product, let's say this product has a barcode, right? So what you would do is open your Amazon seller app and then scan this product. Price is $19.38. And while I got this product on sale for $5, right? So let's say Amazon gonna take $2.92 for fees, because Amazon take 15% on any sale you make. Like I've been telling you guys, they're gonna take it. So let's say I ship this product. Let's say I buy this product for $5.50 or $5.80 with taxes. So I'm gonna make like a $10 profit on each of them. And this product I already sold like a bunch of them. So if you sell 10 products a day, that's $100 a day. So they're not expensive. You guys can buy it and stack them home. So the bad side about retail arbitrage is, like, let's say you put this product to sell on Amazon, but you didn't actually have the physical product with you, so you didn't buy it. So you know Amazon doesn't like when seller cancel orders. So make sure, like, when you see the product, you're gonna make a profit out of it. So you buy this product and keep it to your house. It's like, it's gonna be a lot of competition, because by watching this video, some of you guys gonna do the same thing. Some of you guys gonna look for a different product. That's the bad side of retail arbitrage. But the good way to keep sales coming is to keep your price at the lowest. Let's update your prices every morning and every night, because let's say you're selling it for $19.37 and someone else is selling it for $19.36. Amazon gonna prioritize the person with the $19.36. And let's say if the buy box is $19.36, the person who has the lowest price gonna sell all their item first. So that's the bad side of retail arbitrage. but this part you're gonna have money. So the tea, what I wanted to tell you guys at the end of this video, so I wanted to tell you guys there is another form, there is another way to make money if you don't have money to buy the physical item, which is the online arbitrage. So on the online arbitrage, let's say I find this product, I sell on Amazon, and I can look to Walmart, online Walmart, I can look to Costco online, Target online, and I find the same product for cheaper price, and Amazon is selling it for a higher price. So what I will do, I'll list this product on Amazon, and then whenever someone buy this product from me, I will purchase it from Walmart or any Target or any website I got it for cheaper, and ship it directly to the customer. This way you don't have to touch the item, you don't have to pay for shipping, you don't have to do any handling. So if you don't have money, that's the easy way to make a passive income. Let's say you have like 10 products, that's gonna make you $10 to $20 a day. You can easily make like $100 to $500 a day. So that's when he was selling one of the items. They sell them at Walmart for $100, and he was able to sell it on eBay for $249. That's online arbitrage. This way, if you don't have money, that's the best way to start it, because you don't have to stack the product at your house, you don't have to do anything. But the only thing you have to make sure, if this product takes too long to buy, you have to make sure and check on the website to see if Walmart is not sold out of this product, or Target if they are not sold out, because if they are sold out and the customer purchase it, you're gonna have to cancel the product. I'm not sure how eBay works on canceling order, but I know with Amazon it has to be under 1%. So for them not to deactivate your account, so it has to be under 1%. If you're selling a lot of product, you can sell one order, it's not gonna affect you that much. But let's say you're a new seller, you don't sell that much, it's gonna affect you, and you can get your account deactivated. So make sure you guys pay attention to details and do this. You guys can make like $100 and more a day. So this way, so you can have money and start building and save money, so you can release, or you can have your own product or register your own brand with Amazon. But that's the best way to start if you don't have any money. So guys, don't choose to do retail arbitrage or online arbitrage. You guys wanna go ahead and create your own brand and release your product on Amazon. So I have one of the tools that's gonna help you guys, which is Helium 10. It's a browser extension that allow you to search what product is on demand on Amazon. So I'll leave a discount code below, which is Richie50. You're gonna get 50% off on your first month, or Richie10, you're gonna get 10% on every month with Helium 10. So it's gonna allow you to do your research, find cool products for $2, and we sell them on Amazon for $29 and more, and make a profit. So make sure you guys check my link, use my discount code below to get a discount. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was very helpful, everything. And if you have any question, make sure you comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Do your research, look for product. If you go to Walmart, don't forget, you have your phone, have the Amazon Seller app. If you go to Walmart, you see a product, scan it. If you see a product on sale, scan it, because this product you can have it and resell it on Amazon for a higher price. So I remember I found I don't know if I wanna put the picture of the product. I found this product for $29.99, and I was able to sell this product for $110 on Amazon. So make sure you guys do your research. Scan item, don't be scared. Scan your item, do what's best for you, and make money, sis. what's not click and stay when you have to make the money, sis. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, guys, if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next.